Hey guys, Scylla here, coming back to you with an episode of White Noise. I know I'm kind of in the middle of Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies, but that's okay. Alright. Now I'd like to start off that this is a new beginning series that I am beginning. Yeah. I'm gonna be doing tutorials, games, just, like funny games and shit. I'm gonna be doing Terraria, Pacific Rim, Minecraft, Black Ops, World at War, Red Redemption, all that good stuff. Some Castle Miner Z, depends. Oh, guys, I have to go do something real quick. Alright guys, I'm back. No. I heard that there's a new update about, let's say, 2 weeks ago. And they added a new map called Bunker 51. And now all of you know I'm gonna set this shit to Nightmare, cause, shit. Let's be Edward Cullen. Edward Cullen. Best man in the freaking house. Now, YouTubers like PewDiePie, well, I don't kind of blame them, all those other people, yeah, who act faking gay. No, I'm sorry if I said that, but yeah, faking gay, where they do the kind of act, where they like scream for a minute, straight, yeah, you guys know what I mean. I'm not going to be doing any of that crap, just kind of get through it. If it gets me, then it gets me. Yeah. So I'm going to be running gameplay like, let's say, Black Ops 2 Zombies, Buried, all that good stuff. Just not look at that for too long. I hope you guys are able to hear me, which is pretty good. Hello? Anybody there? It looks like there's nobody here. I guess I would kind of call myself no, not a pussy, but where is it? I hear it. I hear it. It's somewhere. Oh, there it is. Bullshit. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna kind of, so if you feel like I'm doing a fairly good job, leave a like, leave a comment, or subscribe, either one. Or all of them, I don't care, just do it for me, please. So yeah, first episode of ever doing this. Very first episode ever. Yeah. My birthday is on August 10th, and I'm going to be turning 14, which is fairly awesome. I feel like he's right behind me. I might be doing some tutorials for Plants vs. Zombies, I don't know, since that's only on the computer for me. But either one I'm going to be doing. It's right behind me. I know he is, I just don't know when to look. Jesus. so sorry if I screamed the first couple of times, guys, but yeah, the very first 2 times I'm gonna scream. I'm either gonna, and after that, I'm just gonna be doing the, oh shit, he's right there, you know, that kind of stuff. Fuck me if he's right here. Okay, wait. I'm just going in a bunch of fucking circles, what the fuck? No, not to fear here, guys. Zilla's to the rescue. Golden Zilla, I guess. Yeah, so if you ever want me to play with you, that's okay. Send me an invite or a party. I'll join. Unless if I'm not on, you know. Let's leave that room. I'm sorry. You don't like corridors like this. It fucking scared me. Hello? Hello? I use the whispers. Fuck me, am I going in there? Fuck that place. Oh, good. Ghost. Something I can trust. Don't leave me. I'm so alone. So alone in this wild world. All alone, a lonely sheep. Bad. Fuck. Don't leave me. I'll shine your shoes every single fucking day. I'll wash your clothes. Just don't leave me. Guys, I just might make a part 2 to this, but I don't know. I just might make a part 2 to this. Since my battery on the camera's obviously running out. Even though I set it to charge for at least 30 minutes. Whoop-de-fucking-2. Technology. Already been here. Take me somewhere new. This is far-fetching amazing. Fuck. So as you guys know, you guys might want to know what my gamer tag is. My gamer tag is capital X Golden Zilla. Yeah. Capital X Golden Zilla 8 with a capital 0. With a capital X at the end, you know. Since people, fuck, I don't want to work behind me. Okay. It's gonna kill me. Or Sam and Dean Winchester when you need them. Yes, another location, just for them. But I've already been here. Okay, you know what? I'm just running my shit solo. Later, faggot. It's awfully loud in here. What the? What's this place? Okay, people, he's extra pissed. Now let's get the fuck out of here before we all die. Fuck, what was that? That just gave me the goosebumps. Alright, let's get out of here. La 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 la. Sometimes I may doing some gameplay with some of my other friends, but that depends on them if they're okay with that. Hello? Three recordings on Nightmare, and he still didn't show his ugly ass face, which is awfully weird. I hope this game isn't trolling me, because if it is, I'm pretty damn irritated. Yep, I'm pretty damn irritated. Dead end. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes to turn around. Alright, I'm gonna close my eyes, I'm gonna turn around. Alright, he's not there. Hello? Anybody here? Oh shit, battery's running low. I guess I am gonna have to just plainly end it here, guys. Oh shit! Yep, and I guess like he just ended it for me. Fuck! I screamed one time. I bet you it was my scream. My scream was probably so loud that probably fucking... yeah. Yeah. Jesus tits, that was scary. Let's see what we went through here. There. Fuck, wow, that motherfucker ended it right on time, as I said. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna end it here. Bam! Motherfucker gets me. Just like usual. Now guys, we kinda enjoyed this episode, even though there wasn't that much scary shit in it, except for the ending. I don't know, leave a like, watch the next episode. Hopefully I'm gonna release a new episode tomorrow or today. Depends. It truly depends. But I might make a different episode. Alright. I might make an episode tomorrow, I might make an episode today. Depends. Alright, so if you enjoyed this, leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment, no hate mail. I mean, hate comments, yeah, because, you know, haters are pretty fucking bad. I don't really enjoy it. Alright, guys. Later.